First, use a tool to pry off the faceplate. Press and pull out this cable on the right side. Then, use a T20 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws shown. Next, unplug the display screen connection cable. Here, be careful to hold the buckle and wiggle it left and right to unplug the connection cable. Next, remove the passenger side panel. Use an 8mm socket to remove the screw. Use a special tool to pull out the CD player. Unplug all the plugs behind the CD player. Use an 8mm socket to remove the screws inside the storage compartment. Then, use an 8mm socket to remove the screws at the bottom of the storage compartment. Next, unplug the storage compartment connection cable. Press the plug buckle and lift it up to unplug the power connection cable. Connect the power cable to the adapter cable. Then, connect the other end of the adapter cable to the machine. Pass the main power harness from the main unit compartment into the radio compartment. Pass the 2 USB cables and 1 radio cable from the main unit compartment into the passenger compartment. Use a tool to open the center speaker cover. Unscrew the 2 fixing screws and unplug the speaker connection cable. Pass the purple and cyan cables from the radio compartment. Then, connect the cyan cable to the original car cable and the purple cable to the speaker. Screw on the fixing screws and cover the panel. Find this cable and pass it from the main unit compartment into the passenger compartment. Find this cable and connect it to the cable that was just passed through. Press the buckle and unplug the original car gateway plug and plug in the adapter plug. Plug the other end of the adapter cable back into the original car gateway plug. Attach the GPS signal receiver and 4G antenna to the car. Then, pass their extension cables into the radio compartment. Leave the USB cables outside. Pass the radio cable from the hole into the storage compartment. Then, connect the radio adapter cable. Plug the other end into the side radio port. Put the CD main unit cables into the storage compartment. Plug in the storage compartment interface. Cover the panel and use an 8mm socket to screw on the screws. Cover the side panel. Plug in the CD player plugs tightly and reinstall it. Note, if this CD player main unit is not plugged in tightly and installed correctly, the original car information will not be displayed. Use an 8mm socket to install the top screws of the storage compartment. Use an 8mm socket to install the bottom screws of the storage compartment. Push the main unit into the main unit compartment. Find the LVDS cable and connect it. Pass the 5 cables in the video out of the iron cover plate. Pass the power interface from the right and the other cables from the left. Screw on the 4 fixing screws. Note the direction of the iron cover plate, the protruding side facing outwards and the double holes facing upwards. Take out the decorative cover plate and connect the hazard light connection cable. Connect the other end to the original car's hazard light interface, if your car has an original car hazard light. If there is no original car hazard light, you do not need to connect it. Pass the required cables out of the panel window. A total of these 4 cables needs to be connected to our radio. Then, install the buckles on the panel. Connect the 4G and GPS cables to the radio. The interfaces on the machine are labeled. Be careful not to connect them incorrectly. Connect the power cable and LVDS cable to the machine. Align the limit holes and buckle down. Go to the top of the radio, open the 2 fixing screw holes, install the fixing screws, and close the screw holes. We hope this video helps. Please like, comment, and subscribe.